Welcome to the 8th training tutorial of the MAGELLAN Authoring Tool. This tutorial covers the basics on behavioral layer aspects in the MAGELLAN Authoring Tool. In this tutorial we're going to present how to switch between the behavioral mode and the scenario mode in the MAT, and how to customize an activity in the behavioral mode. In the first tutorial we created a project called Treasure Hunter. Open this project now in the MAGELLAN program. We have already created a quiz activity for our game using the question activity from the contextual menu. In the selection editor, we can review the settings for this activity. It is named Quiz. The main question to ask to the player is where do you want to go, and two predefined answers are provided to the player. Go to the Treasure Island and stay on the Jolly Rogers. We can also see that the two predefined answers are displayed on the quiz activity box, allowing the author to create two different branches of the game depending on the player's answer. To customize our quiz activity, we will switch from the scenario mode to the behavioral mode by clicking on the green icon at the top of the left side toolbar. Notice how the green icon changes to red in the behavioral mode. In this mode, double-click on the activity to customize it. A custom view appears overlaying the scenario editor to allow customization of the quiz activity. In the behavioral mode, the author is presented with an in visual, a quiz visual, and an out visual. Two additional views appear to the right of the editor. The first view is Selected Item Settings, which displays the settings for the currently selected item. The second view is Task Library, which allows the author to select predefined tasks available in the library to use for activities customization. You may click on the Reload Library button to load predefined tasks in this view. You can also search through the library with the text entered in the search box. Another new view appears to the left side of the editor. In the Entity Browser, when the Project tab is selected, all entities available in the game scenario will be displayed. Now let's create a time condition for our quiz activity. To create a time condition, right-click on the workspace, select Controllers, then Conditions, then Time, and finally Timer. In the selection editor you can see that the time set for this timer is 2 seconds. Link the input of the time condition to the start of the in visual and the output of the time condition to the predefined answer Go to the Treasure Island on the out visual. Connecting the time condition like this customizes the quiz activity with a timer. The quiz activity will automatically select the option to go to the Treasure Island if the player does not pick an answer in less than 2 seconds. We can now switch back to the scenario mode by clicking on the red button at the top of the left side menu, which should turn back to green. Then we can select the simulation main graph to view our game scenario. This ends our tutorial on behavioral layer aspects. In this tutorial we demonstrated how to switch to the behavioral mode and how to customize a quiz activity via the behavioral mode in the MAGELLAN Authoring Tool.